Welcome back to another video. Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to assemble a motherboard in a casing. This is very important video for you. This video is very important for those who have bought a new motherboard or repaired and are unable to set it up at home and do not know how to set it up and how to do the cabling. Keep watching this video. This video will be very useful for everyone. This is Gigabyte Ace310 motherboard. If there is thermal paste on the processor and it has dried, you need to remove it. Now we will set the motherboard in the casing. Now we will put the screws in. I will tighten the first screws lightly. Then we will put one on the opposite corner. And tighten lightly. For instance, all the screws can be installed neatly. We will connect processor power. The most important thing to do is pin out the pipe cables you see here. You have to be very careful to insert each cable in the correct place. There are two cables here, one for power and one for HDD. This one is power and this one is HDD and this one is restart and another, both are power lead plus power lead minus. Now I will pipe cables to the motherboard pinout. Now we will ready to insert these pipe cables. Here you see 8 pin, last 8 pin we will use. First we will connect power. Then we will connect restart and we will connect HDD, then power LED plus and power LED minus. The green cable will be at the end of the cable. And connect the power. And we will connect audio. Then we will connect USB. Once all the devices are installed, we will then install the cooling fan. Clean the dried thermal paste from processor and cooling fan. Then we will apply thermal paste. Do not apply too much thermal paste. If you apply too much, it will melt and run inside the processor. Before installing the cooling fan must be prepared. For that, we will move to forward every spike. Then we will set on the motherboard. Need to insert mouse, keyboard, VGA and power cable. Now ready for start the computer. Thank you for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.